First gear. Too low. Too low.
What?
First gear.
Yeah, I thought it was first gear.
It wasn't. I don't think it was. I mean. Maybe you can go, instead of coming to the inside, try and go to the outside more round, like
Yeah, I was trying, but I fucked up.
Do you want to try again?
Maybe I should roll it down again.
Sorry?
Is it best to roll it down again or try to push it up here?
You can try and push it from there, yeah. Just put it in first. Yeah, you got it, man. Use the clutch. You can try and slip the clutch a little more, so you can gas more, and just use the clutch as a to control. You should be fine now. Are you tired?
Good video.
I'll send you through WhatsApp. This is as bad as it gets, so unless it was raining. If it was raining.
Oh man, it's as bad raining as it gets as well.
You see, this is the kind of terrain I was telling you about, Cerro.
About?
When it's very compact and shiny, it's very slippery.
Yeah.
So you have to like ride the bike, and if she wants to go somewhere, just go with her.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're done.
Yeah.
Nice one.